So right now we want to explain some things on standard form, call it standard index form. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
we call it standard or index form, but I'm just gonna move some of these things. So this one is to write the numbers in standard index form. Standard index form is just a means or a way of writing big numbers and making them appear smaller. Okay?
Like what you just did now.
No, not really like this. Not really like this,
Okay.
okay? Because nobody will ask you to do this in exam unless you are doing computer stuff. Now, this first one, what you need to do is that you can see that there is no point in all of these numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Any number without point actually has a point after the last digit, which is point zero. Okay? Okay.
There's a invisible zero
Yeah,
there.
there's a point and there's a zero there. So the main thing is that the point is going to move forward one step because a standard form number in standard form must appear like a number times 10 raised to a particular power. Where would the 10 come from? Where would the power come from? Where would the number come from? We're going to look at it right now.
Understand it somehow.
Okay, can you hear me
Okay,
now?
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So this one becomes 7.0 times 10 raised to power 1. But because it's just zero point 0, so we can just say 7 times 10 raised to power 1. And 7 times 10 is still 70, right? 7,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
7 times 10 is 70. So definitely it's still like 7 times 10 in standard form. We don't even need to put the 1 there as the power of the 10. Is that clear? But this second one will become 3.00 times 10 raised to power 2 because the point was here and it was moved 2 steps to the left. Is that clear? So this is the same thing as saying 3 times 10 raised to power 2. Okay, the third one, we're just going to pick the first digit, point zero zero
Does
zero.
that not really understand B?
You said?
I not really understand B.
Okay, hold on. So, what I'm trying to say is that when you want to change any number to standard form, okay, you pick the first digit, you introduce a point, then you multiply it by 10 and raise it to the number of digits that you have skipped, okay?
Okay.
We
So will
skipped.
you use 10 for everything?
Yes, you must always use 10 for index form. Now, look at this. This one has two different numbers, 2 and 8, right? Apart from the 0. Is that clear?
Yes,
So I'm
sir.
just going to say 2.80 times 10 raised to power 2. Because the point was here, I have moved it 2 steps to the back of 2. Is that clear? Then, because this one is a 0 and it's irrelevant there, we can just say it is 2.8 times 10 raised to power 2. Okay, let's do this next one. This is 4.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Times 10 raised to power 3. Why is it raised to power 3? Because I skipped 3 digits, counting from right to left, okay? One, two, three. Is that clear?
Yes,
That's where
sir.
the 3 comes from. Okay, let's check the next one. But like I said, these zeros are not necessary. So you can now say 4.5 times 10 raised to power 3. The sixth question, 64,000. This is
Sir.
6.4000 times 10 raised to power what? Can you guess the power? One, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yes.
Good. Let's check the next one. But like this
That
one,
was just about,
what did you say?
that was what I was just about to ask you. If we are going to count the numbers, then which
Yes,
one of it?
yes, yes, you're going to count it. So this is still the same thing as 6.4 times 10 raised to the power 4, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, let's check the next one. This is going to be 5 point all of the remaining digits, okay? Times
Yes,
10.
sir.
Now, how many steps? One, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, this time around, if you notice that I removed all of the zeros here, but I cannot remove them here because there are numbers. Is that clear?
Yes,
All the rest of them, I have been removing them in my final answer because they were just zeros, okay?
yes.
But this one, I cannot because it is necessary for it to be there. Okay, now let's continue. The next one, yeah, you can see this one as a point, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. That means that is our starting point. So let us count it to the left. Let's count one, two, three, four, five. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is going to be 7.280056 times 10 raised to power 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. You know there
Dad,
are
you removed the point.
I shifted the point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I counted system. You know, all of them. I said the point here is at the back. One, two, three, four. That's why I put four here. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, this next one does not have any point. So I can say this is 5 point. I will introduce a point then 7894. 7894. But I don't need the remaining
Oh,
zeros. Okay. Is that clear?
okay.
So I will just count one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. That is 8 steps to the left. Are you getting that?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Hmm?
So can you guess what this last one is going to be?
Two, three, four, five, six.
8.009 times 10 raised to power what? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So that is how to change number from ordinary form to index or to standard form. So I'll give you some time to write this down, okay?
Okay.
Good.